Hey Spices, do you have that one kitchen item that you use every day or maybe every week that you can't live without? I have a few of those to share with you, and guess what? They're a great Christmas gift idea. So I've teamed up with Kitchen Culture to share with you some of my favorite go-to kitchen items. So let's go spice things up. This is the first product we are going to talk about. It is a 3-piece turner set. Now these are stainless steel and silicone, so they are great. These ones are great so that you won't scrape a pan.
So right now I am using it to cook up some bacon. We are having a pizza party that I'm cooking up some bacon for. But really I use these for turning over chicken. I use it for chicken quesadillas. I use it for grilled cheese sandwiches. I use these turner sets for everyday use.
I am super excited about this. If you're not sure what these are baking mats. So there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 in a package. And these I use for the holiday season, making cookies. They're really great for more than just making cookies. It's an easy way to clean up your pans. So if you're making like ribs or chicken, like barbecue, and you have them in the oven, they do not make a mess on your pans. They don't ruin your pans. So I'm excited not only for just regular baking, but also for holiday cookie season.
So as you see, you just take a regular cookie sheet and you just fit them right on top of your cookie sheet. And you can go ahead and put your cookies. Your food just easily comes off by using one of these.
So what is this, you might ask? I will show you. So that's right, you guessed it, they're utensils. So these I always use in my kitchen, and I always tend to get black ones. I don't know, it fits with my kitchen better. But these ones are heavy duty, and I'm really picky on utensils because I don't want them to be flimsy. And when I'm trying to like cook something, sometimes things are a little harder to stir and you don't want like something flimsy. So these utensils are really hard and sturdy. Well, let me show you.
Tonight I am making spaghetti for my family for dinner. And so of course I always have to use utensils with cooking, right? These are so good. They're really strong and they're really good for high heat. And of course I am using the pasta spoon. Also, did I mention how good they look setting up in my utensil holder?
So right here is a stainless steel bread box. Now I have to admit that I do not have this in my house right now, but I have been meaning to get one for a while. I grew up where we always had a bread box.
I always liked having a bread box growing up. For one thing, you always knew where your bread was. Your bread wouldn't get squished, and more importantly, it keeps your bread fresh.
I am so excited to open this. It's been on my wish list for quite a while. Have you ever tried to pull pork and burn your hands because it's so hot? These claws take the pain away, and I finally get to use them. All right, let's get these claws a try. Costume optional.
So what do you think of these claws?
Work fantastic. I like how they fit in your hand nicely, and they do like speed pulling, where it does so much more work than you could do with anything else.
So the next item that I always have in my kitchen is this 4-piece spatula set. So I am always using these in the kitchen for scraping out the very last remains of things, for stirring, for putting sauce on things like pizza.
So these are black as well, and as you can see, there's different sizes. And so this one I'm gonna use to get the last of the mayonnaise out. So that is what I love spatulas for, is to be able to just get the very last remains of things. But obviously I use it for way more than that. But look at how nice this little cute spatula is.
So another product that I actually don't have in my kitchen, but I've been wanting to get, and I guess now I have it in my kitchen, is this wire basket. So it's a set of 3 and you can link them together. You can put them apart. My husband's favorite word seems to be organization. So if I can make my kitchen a little more organized, you can put lots of different things in here. And this is what the wire baskets look like all put together. You can label it with chalk right there. You can organize, put whatever you want it. There's the hooks, and you can put fruit or whatever you choose. The next product is this. It is a kitchen barbecue silicone tongs. So basically, they're tongs, and it's a set of 3, and these are my favorite tongs. Like these, I have one already in my kitchen that, I mean, I have other types, but not ones that are silicone. So I only have one other one in my kitchen that's lasted for a really long time. I got it for our wedding, like for a gift for our wedding, and we still use it, and it's my favorite one. And now I have 3 more.
And so this set of tongs, they're really cool because they're different sizes. This one's a small one, medium one, and the large one. And they lock in place and they have nice grip. These are my favorite type of tongs. Open it, just push it, and close it up by doing that, so they don't remain open. And so I am just cooking up some bacon, so I'm gonna use the long tongs so that I don't get bacon grease on me. And then I am just turning over my bacon, and I love the rubber on there because it makes it easier to grip whatever food that I am turning over. And so I'm just cooking some bacon because I am making some twice baked potatoes, and I need to cook up the bacon so I can chop it up and put it in the twice baked potatoes. But
I hope you have enjoyed this must-have kitchen items, or should I say Christmas gift ideas. If you want to purchase any of these products, the links will be in the description box below. And happy holidays, everyone.